Good morning YouTube, what is happening? Welcome to Johnny's Garden Maintenance, guys. It's the 1st of November, the day after Halloween. It's not a bad day. Here we are back on the job. So I'm just putting down an edge along this lawn here. As you can see, so I just used my wee machine, my wee slicer tool there on my combi machine for this wee job. As you can see here, Neil's over here trimming the shrubs. So I'm going to show you as we go along what we're actually doing instead of telling you at the very start. So I'm going to lay down this edge first. Neil's over there hitting them wee shrubs. We'll be back in a bit. Now that I have all the edging done, I've just went around the borders now and stummed them out. So I'm just going to cut the grass now. Look at that for a view. Colmore Point. Lissahalli Docks. 1st of November, absolutely stunning day. So we'll get the grass cut, guys. Right, Neil, what are we at here, buddy?
Okay, so basically just trimming on the wee shrubs, getting them back into some sort of shape and cleaning out the beds. Pretty standard issue here, but
happy days, good job.
footer enough them wee edges, some of them, but I going over it now with a wee pair of hand shears, picking it in, tidying it up, taking all the wee stuff away. I've raked this all out now, and now I'll just blow it out and we'll see how she looks after that.
Happy days, buddy. So guys, I've hit this conifer hedge now. Now this conifer hedge goes on the inside as well, so I'm going to go on the inside now and start that. So we've the garden all done, edged, the grass is cut, Neil's working on these beds. I've done a wee bit of work on that cherry blossom tree as well. There's the rubbish from it, so we're back in a bit. There's 4 conifers here, as you can see. They have bacterial canker. These are going. We're going to chainsaw them at the bottom. Then behind that we have this Escallonia hedge. So out the backyard now we have this Escallonia hedge, and then this is the Castlewell and Gold. So we're going to be trimming that up as well, up here at the top. We'll be mowing this lawn as well. These here, I'm going to clip these back a bit, nip them on here a bit, just so they can walk around and they're not in the way, halfway. So, we'll be back in a bit. Neil's just weeding out these beds here now as well, so nice wee tidy up. Just weeding out them beds, Neil.
Yeah. And then just going through them with a clipper to tidy everything off.
Good job, lad. Good job.
Out. And if you're good at that, obviously, if you wanted to, you could fire down some bark this time of year, get the mulch on.
Bark would be nice on it, but
it really tidies the place up for winter, doesn't it?
I don't think it's in the budget.
It's not in the budget, so just give it a wee run over.
I'll recommend it to the customers if they want to get a few bags of bark, just to tidy it up.
It makes some difference, a bit of bark. Hey?
It does, surely, doesn't it? Fair brightens the place up.
It helps keep the weeds down, then coming in the spring.
Right, suppresses them down.
You know what I mean? So then you can plant them, and you give your actual plants a far better head start, you know.
It does. So we've made a start in this Castlewell and Gold. This is the nicest Castle Well and Gold conifer hedge I've cut this season. It's in really good condition. Castle Well and Gold conifers. How do you know when they're cut? All the gold goes out of them, I guess. See these bits here? They still have to be cut out of the hedge. Let's see, I'll just go along it here. So you can see there that there needs to be cut. I guess all the gold goes out of the hedge and it's a much dark greener colour. It's a much darker tone of green. So that's when I know my privet or my Castle Well and Golds are cut. So happy days. What an absolute beauty of a day. How dark and miserable has it gotten. There's my privet or Castle Well and Gold hedge. Just take you along the garden here. So we've mowed the lawn. We've put edges on the lawn. Neil has shaped all these. Like the edge. Neil has shaped all these plants and shrubs. Trimmed this cherry blossom a bit. There was a load of water sprouts shooting out from it, so we've cleaned that up. Give it a nice edge. So now we've taken away these 4 conifer trees that had the bacterial canker. They're gone. Here we have an Escallonia hedge. So, grass trimmed and cut. Started raining. It's getting miserable again. It was a beautiful day. So we've got a lot of work done, I must say, in that amount of time. We didn't film all this today because the clocks went back yesterday and Sunday. It's getting very dark early now, so you have to try and make the money. So I'm just giving you wee clips of the work we do. Just didn't have the time today to film everything, move the camera and tripod. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more content coming your way.